How to enable developer mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 and any other Samsung device. By default, hidden developer option on your Samsung S25 Ultra. First of all, go to settings on the device. Scroll down up to end. Here you can find the about phone section on your Samsung device. Tap on it. Here you can check your phone's name, serial number, EMI number. Now scroll down. Here you can find the software information on your device. Tap on it. Here you can see the One UI version 7, Android version 15. Now find the build number on your device and tap on until you can see you are now a developer option. Now you can see allow development setting option on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Tap on OK. Tap on OK. Now developer mode has been enabled message on your device. Now go back. Again go back. Now scroll down and at the end you can find the developer option on a Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. Tap on it. Now here you can see the different developer option like a memory check memory usage by apps, Bluetooth enable Bluetooth running services, USB debugging. You can see the different available developer mode settings on your device. So it's quite easy to enable or find the hidden developer mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.